Hi guys, welcome back to Trading with the Mint Trader. Today I'll be talking about buying and selling in MT5, that is order placements and execution in MetaTrader 5 as promised in my first video. If you haven't watched that yet, please go check it out. And now we're gonna go to the trading platform and actually simulate placing an order in any particular demand or supply zone. So here we are on the MT5 platform, and we have the Aussie CAD currency pair using the 4-hour time frame. So to place an order in MetaTrader 5, which is to a major extent similar to MetaTrader 4, be it a pending order or a market order, there is a multitude of ways that we can do that. So by simply right clicking on the chart, it shows us a sell limit. Because we hit the mouse when I'm at a location that is above current price, it gave me a sell limit option. Or if you click right below current price, I get a buy limit option. So that's always one way to go about it. Or you can always go to trading and then choose either buy limit or sell stop, because the only two possible orders when you are below current price are either buy limit or sell stop, and vice versa. Above current price, you get sell limit or buy stop. Or you can go ahead and press F9 to get the new order functionality, or get the new order window selected from here. At the same time, you can just select the new order from here, or you can simply go ahead and double click on the currency pair itself. So there are a multitude of ways to place the same order in MetaTrader platform. Personally, I tend to prefer just double clicking on the currency pair. The advantage of this one is that when you double click on the correct currency pair, the order entry window that you guys are seeing here will come out with the correct currency pair here. Most of the time it will be the case regardless of what method you choose, but this one here tends to kind of be more of a guaranteed approach, that you are always going to be choosing the correct currency pair. If it happens to not be the correct one, you can always go ahead and choose the correct one from here. And now that we have the order entry window open, we can see that we have all these functionalities here. Let's go through them one by one. First of all, the type. It's either an instant execution or pending order. Instant execution is what MetaTrader refers to as a market order. And pending order is when you want it as a limit order or a stop order or a stop limit order. So starting with an instant execution, let's say we want to choose any position size. And here volume is what they refer to as, it's what MetaTrader refers to as position size by default. No, there is no default actually. It's a broker default. You have to kind of understand what each broker refers to as volume. What is meant by that is, some brokers, if you type in just one, they understand it as one standard lot. That's equivalent to 1,000 units of the Australian dollar currency. With other brokers, you might go ahead and type one and it will still be understood as one mini lot or one micro lot. So it's important to do some testing first and see what is understood by the platform when we type in one. So here, one is basically one standard lot. You can immediately go ahead and put in the corresponding stop loss order and take profit order, but all that means is if you hit the sell button or the buy button right now, it's going to open the trade immediately. Now, let's take a step backwards and open the toolbox by hitting Ctrl T on our keyboard. I'll be going back to opening the order entry menu to Aussie CAD, and just going to go ahead and put one standard lot and hit buy. So what happens is that a position has been opened right now at current price, and you can see that it's been displayed here. Had I opened pending order, the line for the pending order would have been displayed below this gray bar. So I will go ahead and close this open position right now, and I can do that by double clicking on the position. The order entry menu reopens, and now we have a new button, the close button. I can go ahead and hit that button, and now the position is closed. So let's go ahead and place a pending order instead. Let's use any supply zone. Let's say we're going to use the supply zone from 98.36 up to 98.53. just type in the numbers. And we'll put a target at 96, 98. Guys, this is just for demonstration purpose. This is a drop-based drop here in the supply zone, so go ahead and place a pending order at these numbers. It's the same process. We start with the same thing, which is double clicking on the Aussie CAD currency, and now instead of choosing instant execution, I want you to choose a pending order, and the menu changes a little bit. So now we have more types here. The types are either limit orders, buy or sell, stop orders, stop market orders, buy or sell, stop limit orders, buy or sell. What we want here is a sell limit order, so we choose that. The volume is the same definition as we explained earlier. One means one standard lot with this particular broker, and the price is just going to be the entry price, 0.9836. The stop loss is 0.9853, and the take profits is 0.9698. So you can go ahead and type in those numbers. Because it's good till cancel order, so there's no need for any expiration, you can go ahead and give it a specified expiration date, and now we'll leave it at good till cancel. Once you've checked that the numbers are all good, go ahead and place your order. And what happens is you have the order line, as we said earlier, it's located below the gray bar. In addition, you also have the display line on the chart confirming to you that the location of your orders are matching the locations of your horizontal price line drawings. And this will be a complete order here. Let's say you want to go ahead and either delete it or modify it for whatever reason. You can do that by double clicking on the order, and this will open a version of the order entry menu. If you just want to cancel your order, you can hit delete. It will disappear and get canceled. Or if you just want to modify something, let's say you want to increase the target. Instead of 96, 98, you want to put a bigger target at the lower value, let's say 96.40. You can probably identify that there is more profit potential there, and you want to try to target that larger profit potential. You can go ahead and type in the new target. Now you notice that once we typed in that new target, the modify button became active. If I click on that, the order will get modified, and the target location, the target number will also change. Notice here in the entry menu under the price is basically the entry. SL, that's going to be our stop loss, and TP, that's going to be our take profit. That's already been modified. Notice here there are two columns for price. One is the entry price, the other is the actual price for the currency pair, right? So it kind of gives us an idea of where the current price is relative to the entry price. Yes, they are both called prices, but one of is the entry price and the other is the current price. In MetaTrader platform, when the current price gets within 10 pips of the entry price, you will start to see flashes of green, if you will, to kind of give you a notice that the current price is getting close to one of your orders. In this case here, it's the entry order. If you want to go ahead and delete this order, simply double click and press delete. This will modify the order here. The same thing applies when you want to go ahead and place a buy order. Instead of choosing a sell limit order, you can go ahead and choose a buy limit order. Everything remains the same. Next, I will be posting a video on how to find the spread and the ATR, which is the average true range in MetaTrader 5. So watch out for the next video. I'll be posting that, how you can find where the spread is and the ATR. And if you watched the video this far, thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful to you in some way. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And also do not forget to hit the like and subscription button, as this will motivate me to continue to make these educational videos for you guys. Until next time, bye bye.